Hey guys, Steve here. In this video, what I want to do is I want to show you an opportunity that I just came across for you list builders. Now, I know you're like, this guy got all kinds of opportunities. He's always doing, he always got a money making opportunity, but I do. As you know, what I do this channel for is to show you that there are unlimited ways to make money online and they all work. Okay, you just have to have the right mindset. You got to be able to focus on what's important, right? You know, and I learned this in my other opportunities. You always work on yourself. You always drive traffic, right? And you always follow up, right? So work on yourself, work on your mindset. And once you start developing that mindset, you start really understanding the simplicity of making money online, and you can see it everywhere, right? The simplicity is this: you have traffic, you put your offer in front of traffic, and between your offer and the traffic source, you put a capture page so you can build a list. Now, whatever you use as that capture page to get your traffic to engage and give you that information, that is key, right? You can use lead magnets, you can use free systems, you can give stuff away for free, but whatever it is, it has to be a value between your traffic and your offer. You have to have something of value in between in order for you to engage or to have a information transfer, right? They give you their email, you give them what's behind the curtain, right? Whether it's a free offer that they wanted, or whether it's a free video, or whether it's a piece of useful information or a free gift or a discount or whatever you put behind that capture page is what they want. They have to trade the email for that information, and that capture page is what really gets them to do that. Now, the reason why this system I'm going to show you I like, because for one, it allows you as a newbie to learn that principle, and it teaches you that step by step in a course of 3 days. Now, you can zoom through it, and of course, like I did, I ate it like a buffet, right? I just went here. I watched it all, and I was probably so full I don't remember it all, but definitely I will tell you I have watched it again. So what I want to do is I want to show you about this new opportunity that will allow you to build a list, but on the front end of this list builder is a front end offer that's $7. But this $7 is just so powerful. And I know I've said the most powerful $7 opportunity was something else in the past. I still like that something else. But this right here is my new $7 go-to, right? My new $7 front-end product that I can make $7 over and over again. And it has a lot of value and the potential to make unlimited commissions without investing anything else into the platform other than the $7. And with that being said, let's dive right in to the platform called ListLion. Okay. Now, here's the capture page that you get from ListLion. And as you can see, hold on, I got some of my glasses. The brother got smudges, and I can't read without the smudges. Here we go. So ListLion, it has a 3-day capture page, a 3-day challenge, right? It's called a fast track challenge, and that's what is key here. So basically, it goes over, this is the capture page. It tells you what it can do for you in 3 days, and this is what you get, right? A little bit about the 5-figure earner, the owner, Randy Maurer. 3-day training, this is what you're going to get. You know, he's going to explain how he grew his list over 3,500 subscribers in 4 months, how you can have $1,000 days, and I'm going to show you some proof too. And you know, day 1, simple but powerful 3-step system to make daily commissions. Day 2, watch me build a business right in front of you, step by step and in 30 minutes or less. And day number 3, how to get thousands of eyeballs into your system. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you. So I would click here, right? And this is where your capture page is. This is optional. You would put your information here and you would hit enter, and it would take you inside the funnel. So I'm already inside the funnel, but I want to show you the next step. So I want to come here. I'm going to go, and these are the pages you get to promote, right? You get a default capture page, and you also get the sales page. And I want to show you what the next page after that looks like. And it looks just like this, right? This is the 3-step process, and it's helped thousands make their first hundreds, 500s, or even thousands. And I'm gonna show you proof. I promoted this for 2 days and I already got 2 sales, 2 front-end sales. And I want to show you. I mean, it worked, obviously. So here's a little video, a little 2-minute video of how you can launch your business in 3 days, right? And it just goes on and tells you, the pandemic has killed the old hustle culture and created a new one that's been working for him. And of course, he's going to show you how that can work for you. What I like about this page here is its simplicity, and it shows you. And when you listen to Randy and when you meet him in a group and everything, he's a cool dude from what I see, from what I hear, and how he interacts with us in the Facebook group, right? But not only that, it outlines again what you're going to do in those 3 days. So you can easily put this page behind your own capture page if you wanted to. And in fact, they teach you how to do that in the system. But what I like about this is he gives you the bonuses right on the sales page. So you know what extra value you're going to be getting before he hits you with the price, right? And I love that, because that's how I make sales in other opportunities that I promote, is that I put my bonuses right there on the front, on the sales page, on my bridge page, so that you can see what you're going to get. And that's the incentive to go on to the next step, right? So you're going to get a secret emails. And this is a doozy right here. We're going to give you your first 100 leads to promote. We're going to give you your first 100 leads, promote whatever you want to your new list. Heck, even promote this here. So basically, they're going to give you 100 leads. You're just going to give them a link. They're going to send the traffic to you. And guess what? You can give them any offer you want. But why wouldn't you give them the list lion opportunity, right? So anyway, after you do that, you click here. Yes, give me the system now. And what it does is it takes you to the next page. Here's where the magic happens. $7. That's all it is. One time $7. Now let me show you what you get. You get the 3-day fast track challenge. Start online business today. You just enter your information. It is a one-time $7 payment. And here's some proof. So it's like another sales page, which is sweet. This is what's included. Like I said, you get the 3-day challenge. You get the bonuses. And of course, part of the bonus is the 6-figure affiliate funnel. It's his white label ebook on how to do certain processes in affiliate marketing, and you get his secret emails that have generated 6 figures. Right now, down here, this tells you a little bit more about what other members are saying, and they're crushing it. And then I will jump over to the Facebook group real quick and show you what's going on in there. I just want to get through here. So that's what it is. It's only $7 one time. That's what you get. And if you go click the next step here, roll now, it won't let you, because all you have to do is pay a one-time $7 fee. And I'm just going to give you a quick peek of the back office so you can see what goes on behind the doors, right? So just a quick glance here. Here's the members area. Boom. So just showing you here, this is the members area. Here's your other information here. This is what you get. Oh, sorry. No, we don't want to do that. You get in the introduction, the first day 1, day 2, and day 3. And that's it, right? You get these 3 days. It shows you how to get traffic. It shows you what happened overnight, like how on the second day, what they're doing behind the scene, how they're building out your system. You get to log into your own autoresponder, right? It gives you an autoresponder, which is sweet. And it's not your typical AWeber response. And also it gives you some tools and other training in your other links. And of course, there's an upgrade, because for the $7, you only get the basic things, but there's a membership that you can join that is optional. It is not a must, that you can earn, of course, commissions on. But here's the other things that come with the platform if you choose to upgrade to a higher level. But you don't have to upgrade in order to get those higher commissions, just so you know that. So what I want to do now is I want to jump over quickly to the Facebook group. Just plug that in real quick. Before that, let's jump over to my screen. And I want to show you that so far I've made, and I sent this to my email list, and I did a post on Facebook. And I made, this is where those clicks came from. My personal email list. No, I take it back. This came from my personal email list and Hercules, which is a free traffic exchange. And I posted on Facebook, right? So I made $14. So that's 2 front-end sales of $7 each. and that was just yesterday, right? So I got 2 customers out of that. And then these are the amount of referrals that I got from my list and from Hercules. And there is a way that you can add tracking to the links to know where your leads are coming from. And I want to show you this. Your reward for referring customers, you get 100% recurring commissions for each referred member. Here's your different pages that you can send, right? You even have a high ticket membership upgrade. And that's sweet because there's a high ticket component where you can earn commissions off of it with only being at the $7 level. So at the $7 level, you can promote all of these and earn a commission from it, which is sweet. So anyway, let's go here, boom, not there. There was something else I wanted to show you. But anyway, let's just jump quickly over to, I don't want to make it too long, over to the Facebook group. And let me go to the, what is it called? List Lion. Yeah, and this opportunity doesn't replace any opportunity that I'm in. I just add these opportunities in, make reviews, and show you that it is possible. Here we go. It is possible to make money online. That's my whole point of this channel, is to show you that you can make money online. So anyway, this is the name of the group, and this is the name of the opportunity. So it's a 3-day fast track. He just changed the covers. List Lion currently has 2,200 members. Right? There was a contest going on. Most sales, you get cash. So that's sweet. Too sweet, like that Dr. Pepper commercial. So anyway, this is just going through the page, shows new people coming in, the admins talking, everybody's getting started. Like, look at this guy, Richard. Shout out to Richard Harrison. He had 8 referrals, 66 click, $35 made so far. Congrats. Welcome, Pamela. Cheryl 6, welcome. And Randy does the intro of all the people in here. And these are all the people who have just joined this opportunity, right? So it's like, the floodgates are open, right? And there's another way. Hey, who's this guy right here? Hey, that's me, right? So I joined, like I said, just look at the, on the 17th, right? So I just started promoting it and I already made $14. So it should inspire you on how easy you can make your first commissions online. Here's a Mandeep. Congrats. He had some, he made a commission of $997. Now, let me say it again. You do not have to upgrade to that level in order to earn commissions, right? You come in at the $7 level, you promote the opportunity, you can make the commissions, which is awesome. That's why it's so easy to get into this opportunity and so easy to earn with it, because of that front end, low cost $7 price point. You get that commission, half of that. And there's also a monthly subscription. And then there's the one-time high ticket lifetime subscription, which was that $997 that I just showed you. Matter of fact, just let me show you that real quick. So, let me, here's the levels, right? You come in at the $7 level. You qualify to earn on all the levels. You don't have to upgrade. The only thing that comes with the upgrade is more value, right? So the first upgrade, if you choose to do it, is the monthly List Lion, List Lion opportunity, right? So basically, you're gonna get a $49 a month. You could choose this, and you're gonna get all of this value. You're going to pay it monthly, right? You're going to pay it monthly. But here's the kick where you get, for the $49, you get the modules. You get, here's the kick. You get 500 subscribers added to your email list each month. That is what you get for $49 a month, right? Plus 100 clicks to any link you want in each month, right? And plus you get a one link rotator, right? You get to put one link into the company rotator. Sweet. Now that's for $49 a month. But if you're if you're like me, you're looking for a way to not have any monthly bills. So eventually I'm shooting for the stars, right? But if you come in at the lifetime, you get the same thing. You just don't have monthly fees. Now, mind you, you always get commissions even on the $7 entry point, right? You get commissions on the $7, you get commissions on the $49, and you get commissions on the $997. But you only get 50% commissions, right? 50% is better than 0%, right? You know, all day. But anyways, jump back over here. As you can see, Modesta, she earned $6,300 already. And it is what? That's 3 hours ago. That's her stats. You know, and the list goes on and on. I don't want to make the video too long because I want to make more content around this, because I think that this is an easy way for newbies, anybody just now getting into affiliate marketing, to learn the things that they need to learn to make their first commissions online. And of course, I got other opportunities that like $100 opportunities or $247 opportunities. Yeah, they're out there, right? But what if you're kind of timid and don't trust your skills yet, right? You could come in at a $7 price point one time and still learn the skills you need to do, right? Build your confidence, learn affiliate marketing, earn those big commissions, right? And get off on the right foot, right? Without leaving, you know, some of these platforms leave a nasty taste in your mouth. But this one, I believe, will help anyone get their first commissions online and make their first multiple $100s in a week, right? And depending on your grind, depending on your hustle, I think that you could do it, right? I think that you could do it. Matter of fact, I know you can do it. Why? Because if I could do it, you could do it. Well, anyway, with all that being said, I didn't even touch the fact that you get a free autoresponder, really. But with all that being said, I'm going to keep this short. Anyway, as always, all the links will be in the description box below. Like, share, and subscribe. I'm out.